So good evening, everyone. Today's GP session is such that we all know the ground rules. An image will be shown to you, which will be visible throughout the session, and I'll be narrating what is exactly behind that image. After that, you will be given 5 minutes to write your understand whatever you can understand from the image and try to solve the issues and problems given there. Now, after those 5 minutes, um, actually, image will be shown for 5 minutes. My bad. 10 minutes will be given to you for writing your story. All right. And after that, we'll have 20 minutes for the discussion. Discussion on which we have to come to a conclusion. All right. No individual narration in this one. Clear? Any doubts? Okay, perfect. So I will be screen sharing the image. Oops. Can you see my screen? Yeah. Oh, can you see the image?
Yes, visible.
Yes,
Yes.
So you have 5 minutes to understand the image, and I am just going to narrate the story. Just give me 1 second. Narrate the entire scenario. So, your 8 friends of JDC Diggle had gone for boating in Chayar by your college bus. You had a great day and are planning to return. You noticed that a couple was screaming for help as there was a hole in their boat. You were planning to do something, but a person came to you and was injured badly. He told you that there were 5 terrorists in the Rivalsar village forest and planning to fire on villagers and then to attack on CM, who will be joining as chief guest in Rivalsar Mela at 3 p.m. He also updated you that the fish plates are broken and train will be passing by 4:30 p.m. One another person with hand broken and bleeding came to you and updated that there are some animals who entered into the village Mahadev and hurting people. And he also saw some dacoits planning to loot the Shiv temple by 4 p.m. You have seen the fire coming from the Matuli bus stop. Now the time is 2 p.m. As a young and brave student, what will you do? I'm sharing the image and the text with you on the group as well.
What's the scale on the image?
Sorry, come again?
What's the scale on the image?
I believe that's the road. That's a connection to the road, to the main
Uh,
road that we have. You're talking
no,
about
like
near the Revalsar, na?
no, I'm talking about the scale, like 2 centimeters.
1 centimeter is 2 kilometers, I guess.
Oh,
Okay.
acha, okay.
It was 1 millimeter.
Oh, you can hide that meter to
Okay,
meter.
wait. Sorry.
So I had a doubt. What is the thing that is actually cutting the main road?
Continuing the.
What is there is something which is cutting the main road, right?
Yes, it is.
So is it a waterway or
Wait, give me 1 second.
the straight line is the railway line and the other one is waterway. The one which is shown with direction. Okay, okay. And the one that is connecting main road and Char is actually another waterway, or is it some kind of a road?
It is a kind of a road because in the first sentence they said Bigade chair in a bus.
Yeah, it is a kind of unmetered road which is connecting to the
Yeah.
forest of Rivalsar.
Like a kacha road.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, chair road.
No, no, no. The one that is actually connecting main road and Char.
Yeah, that
And
only.
that's what I think it's a road.
Okay, that's a road, Kacha road.
Yes.
Yes, it's a kacha road. Okay, so I'll be taking this down from here. I'm sharing, don't worry. Now, the 5 minutes timer is over. You have 10 minutes to write your story, but I'm sharing the screen, don't worry. Not visible now. Manav, say something. I just muted you, by the way. But there was some noise. I say something. Are you saying? No, not audible. I'm sorry. Wait, you're not. Unmute yourself first and then say. No, can't hear you. Can't hear you. Did you change your device? Oh no, no idea what's wrong.
Arjun,
Yes, Anita.
is there any way which is connecting this Mahadev village with the main road, or is nothing?
It was not mentioned in the text, no? Then there's no way. I mean, of course, there is no like direct road or kacha road, but in case you can come up with something that can connect and you can reach there, that's up to you. All right. Yes, Aditya.
Can you use mobile connectivity?
No.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, I think it's time that we start the discussion. Shall we? I will change the timer. Right, so I'm starting the timer for 20 minutes now, and also I'll be like continue screen sharing. What Manju? It's if it's wait, hold on. Matuli. It's a place. It's a place there. All right, you may start the discussion now.
Okay, so
So, gentlemen, according to me, we should split the team into three teams.
we should know our problems first. Instead of just categorizing first, let's come with the problem. So there are basically 6 problems. The first one is the boat. The first one is the boat couple. The second one is the terrorist attack at Rivalso village, which is scheduled at 3 p.m. And no, which is already going. And there's a CM meeting. There's a actually CM coming at Rivalso
Yeah,
village
three.
at 3 p.m. Yeah, and second is the fish plate problem, and where the train is about to come at 4:30 p.m. And fourth one is the Mahadev village problem, where actually the animals are going to attack, are actually there at Mahadev village and they are attacking the villagers. And the fifth one is the Shiv temple, where the dacoits are planning to attack at 4 p.m. The
Please
sixth one is the
You're forgetting the fire at the
yes, I'm coming to
fire
the
at
sixth
the.
one is actually the
let
I'm not
us
categorizing the
So
problem.
we should
let us
I'm not
instead of
categorizing
saving the
the problem.
couple,
We should just telling the problem. I'm not categorizing them.
Guys, as mentioned, they are also having a college bus.
Yes,
First we
I'm
should
not
try to
categorizing
save
the
the
problem.
couple.
We are missing the fact that there are injured
Yeah,
persons.
yeah.
I think
We should
Before that, we need to divide the group.
Gentlemen, according to me, instead of categorizing the problem, we should split the team and let team have their priority of problems.
Before that, we need to split the team
I
into
think
4
the
groups.
first priority is very much clear
There
to
are
all
8
of us.
members.
Splitting of
Them into
team, and we should prioritize problem according to team formation.
3, 1, 1, 1.
yeah. First,
I'm saying that it is pretty much
first I
evident
think
that
we will
I think team should be divided into 3 parts. Team A consisting of 2 members, team B consisting of 2 members, team C consisting of 4 members.
let us move in a sequence. First prioritize, then we'll divide the team and then allocate
Let's
the work.
categorize, let's first prioritize the problems and then we can go
And
with the
then
teams.
first priority is that the couple is
First we
going
should
inside the
prioritize
river.
saving the
Yes.
couple and
We can
the fire at
prioritize the problem according to team now.
On the
To the
side of the river.
couples who are actually drowning in the river because
Yeah,
they are very near.
because when
We
we
have to
divide
save
the
them
team
first.
and we
and
assign
even
them
the Madhuri bus
separate.
stop.
After
The fire
dividing
at
the
Madhuri
team, we
bus
can
stop, because
prioritize
it
the
is very
problem.
near to the main road.
Yeah.
I
No,
agree.
We can
actually, I
divide the
think
team
we have
and
to
we assign
divide the team
them
on the basis of the
separate problems.
problems.
They will handle with it. By dividing, we can solve many problems together at a time.
So we can divide the team in 4.
In
Two to
3.
each. We can like the problems. The major problems are 4. First is the boat problem. Second is the terrorist problem. Third is the fish plate problem, and fourth is the injured person who is talking about the
Yeah,
animals.
But
Anita,
fish
Anita,
we
Anita,
have time for
listen.
one of our that is also major problem. Yeah, so fish plate problem
Guys,
has one of our
let one
trainers
second
will
speak.
pass
I
at
think
4:30.
we are not going anywhere with this
I
phase.
think
We
we
are not
give
going
first
anywhere with this
priority to the
phase. So let's
terrorist attack.
listen to each and everyone. Manjunathan, please speak. Let's listen to Manjunathan first.
Please go
Yeah,
ahead.
we can divide the team into four. According to my perception, we divide the team into four and we assign them each problem. And our first priority is we can give to the terrorist attack because terrorist attacks they attack the whole villages and the lives are more. And the CM also is will attack in the terrorist attack. So we give first priority to that one, and then for one team, and second team will give that couples who we can rescue that couples for second team, and then
I would like to interrupt Manju. I think we have to rescue the
I think the
we don't have to go and rescue a couple because even if station over the lifeguards are also there. present and so we can first handle the problem of the boat there itself. It will just take 10 to 15 minutes to patch up the
Gentlemen,
whole.
Yes,
I agree with
yes,
the
yes.
point mentioned by
we
Mr.
divide the
we should divide the team into three parts.
Yes,
First team,
Yes,
first team will have four members. Okay, they will rescue the couple, take the boat to nearest shore, and let it get repaired, and take their own boat, and by river they will reach to Matuli and extinguish the fire at bus stop. After that, they can take again boat toward the fish plate area. Right?
see,
yeah
Where are they
River
arranging
would be the
the
fastest way. After
I
that,
agree.
proceed
I
to
agree
Shiv
with
Temple.
Naresh. I agree with Naresh sir because we are
where are
solving
they
basically four
landing
problems
at
at
the
the
bottom?
same time using
We
the same
can't go
boat.
there.
see, I think we should not use the boat because the flow of the river is against the stream. So it will take more time. We can take the Kacha route from Sagar to
Uh,
main road.
we should clear it with Anchal. Anchal is the arrow indicating the flow of water.
We have our own bus, right? We can use that bus to
Yes,
reach the main.
consider that. Yes, consider that. It's the
Anchal,
flow of water. Yes.
And
all
also
right.
that there is a bus station that is on fire. We cannot simply go with a boat over there. We need to inform the fire station. If we go with a team of three people to the Trigal fire station, that is the nearest fire station, there are three things we can do. First of all,
I think we need
Harsh,
to
Harsh, so I'd like to add a point to Harsh's point. So I was saying that there is no fire department nearby, right? So actually what we can do is instead of bringing the fire department to the picture, we can actually use our members to actually just evacuate the people who are in the bus. Instead of just,
I'm saying that same thing only.
So
yeah, I
Pratik,
think we
we
can
can
do.
just evacuate the people in the bus station or any kind of bus.
Okay,
At
but
bus
That would
stop.
be
one group of people can get the people evacuated, but we have to inform the fire station also. So one group of people can go towards the
Anchal,
fire station.
can we use the hidden resource motorboat?
That can be
yes,
considered
in case
also.
that helps you, and if there is no other solution, yes, you can use a source there.
yes.
We
If
can
if we
resource a
can do it, then
motorboat.
we can actually agree
we
with
can also
Naresh.
take the idea
The
of
flow
passing
of
by.
river doesn't matter when it's a motorboat, I think, because you're running it automatic. It's not your manual. It doesn't require any manual. So you can actually come up with Naresh's point here. You can agree with Naresh's point here. As he earlier said that using the same boat, we can actually solve the problem of the fish plate and the Madhuri bus station fire and shift
Shiv
temple.
Temple.
yeah but gentlemen, for fish plate there are 2.5 hours more. At the time will come around 4:30 only. Now
We
the
will
time
just inform the authority, na? We will just inform the authority, and near to the fish plate,
the
we will just
terrorists
put up a
are
red flag
Or
yeah, but
yes, yes, we can
terrorists
actually
are
put up the
already
red flag.
Which authorities
and
will
move ahead.
where
And
do
along with that, you have to inform the station master regarding the state problem.
station railway station where we can inform to the station master and RTF as well.
See, first of all,
Because
we can
yeah
inform
we
the
can use that
mandated
RTF.
person over
RTF
We
there
don't inform
RTF
the,
will
I would
handle
like
the
to
terrorist
say
attack.
we
against the
don't
boat.
inform the RTF about the, like we have to inform the GP.
But there is no railway station there also.
Yeah, there is
Guys,
a railway station. First of all,
Yeah, we will inform the
inform the
authority as well.
mandated
Put up a
person
red
over
please,
there,
flag.
please, can you let me speak for
and
1 minute?
then
I
go to
just
the
want to
railway
add a
station.
point. I just want to add a point. The point is that actually we should not forget about the two people who have actually come to us and informed that these particular problems are there. They are
Yeah, they
actually
are so
injured. So
badly
actually,
injured.
yeah, they are badly injured. So we actually have to also admit them, provide them with
Yeah,
medical
so
assistance.
that is what I am saying. Now, first team A will have 4 member. They will
Yes,
solve this problem, this many problem of
yes,
boat, Matuli bus stop, Split and Shiv temple. Team
yes.
B, consisting of 2 member, will help the injured person, and then they will move toward Madi village.
Okay,
Third
right.
team will also have 2 member. They will
Yes,
proceed toward Revolser village to
yes.
inform the villager about the
And then
firing
create a
stuff.
defensive position there so that they can
Yes,
defend from the
yes,
terrorist
yes.
attack.
So the
And
team ratio will be 4-2.
and
I can
actually, and after that I can actually I like to add a point that then the two people can go to railway platform, railway station, and they
Agreed,
can
agreed,
actually,
agreed.
yes, and they can call in the railway police force
Perfect.
Yeah, we
to
have to mention it
uh,
specifically
to
on
take
that.
them
We
in.
have to take 2 persons to the hospital in the nearby city. So we are
I wanted to mention a point
taking.
that can't we use two resources like going from Matuli and solving two issues, that is from Rivalsar village, as well as from there two people can go to that railway station port and inform the what do we call them,
That
RPF.
is also
There is one
feasible.
issue that is
That is
that
also,
also
I think since there is no
it
police
would be
department,
speedier.
forest
है ना.
department nearby to
It would
solve
be
the Mahadev
speedier
village
if
problem.
we
Guys, we are
uh,
having a school
go
bus.
with Sarthak solution.
So two of the friends can go to nearby police station and inform them about the terrorist attack.
But there is
I
no
think
police
Sarthak
department
solution
near
But
there.
would be better.
But
It
there's no
would be
police
speedier.
department
yeah,
nearby.
but
So actually, taking the railway police force assistance will be more helpful. Also,
Yeah,
in the Mahadev village, since we are college students here, I think we don't have very much. We are not educated about how to tackle animals or protect ourselves from animal hunt or protect others from animal attacks. So we can use, since there are no police department here, we can actually use railway police force assistance in
in
the
order to
Mahadev village
tackle
We
that,
will
problem.
we
take
can
help of the
ask the
people
It
people.
would
from the
depend on
villages.
type of animal, right?
No, in order
Yes,
to
yes.
tackle
So
that, we can ask
since
the people to
so
remain in their
actually
homes
the
only.
villager
They are
has
not
said
going to
that
enter into
ki,
the
We have to
homes.
take the help
Maybe it is an angry
from the
elephant.
villagers. We have involved the
yes,
people
yes.
from village.
So if it is an angry elephant or any kind of angry wild
We
animal, I
can
think we can use the
attract him by
railway
food.
police force. No, no, no.
We can
Instead
give
of
him
using
food.
it,
no, no, no.
yeah, that
It
is
will
an
not.
option, Naresh.
I don't think that that
But
is a
according
proper.
to me, okay, Naresh, I would like to put a point that according to me, what I'll do in that place is ki use railway police force assistance. They might not have an expertise in that field ki how to protect others from elephant
We should
attacks
give
or
chance
any
to
kind of wild
others
animal
and
I
we
attacks,
should
agree
also
but
with
they can
you,
actually
but they will
help in
never come.
evacuating the villagers. I think they can help in evacuating the villagers at least.
I would like to highlight
How can
one
they,
point
if
mentioned by
villager want to
Harshit.
rescue themselves, they can run away. There
Yeah,
is
I
no
would like
use
to
of
highlight.
RPF in it.
No,
Friends,
we
I
can
also
actually something is better than nothing, right? So we can use the
So
assistance if possible.
we can
I
like
would like to add one point here. See that the
Yes.
Harshmitra was saying that we are having a bus with us. So with the help of the bus, we can take the 2 injured persons to the nearby hospital in the Diggal area, and from there we can inform the police station also regarding this event. Railway police is not going to interfere in this matter
They are
because
not
they are
built in
already
for that.
engaged in the fish plate event in order to stop that.
No, no, fish play. Sorry, Harsh, but fish plate event is
RPF is
actually
not
solved
interfere with
when
the fixed event.
we actually sent
That
four people to solve the fish plate problem using the motorboat, right? So I think that problem is
but
solved,
gentlemen, we
and we
need
are
to
putting up a red flag
but
at the fish
we need to
at
give
the
priority
near
to
the
the
fish
terrorist
plate.
attack. But it will the CM meeting will conduct at
the
3 o'clock. Just 1 hour is the timing between
needs
the.
to get back to our place.
Yes, ma'am. So
gentlemen,
that is
according
why we are
to
sending
me,
four
we
people.
should proceed with Sarthak solution, as he have said that 2 member can go to.
Okay, for the ones who have not added anything yet, Prasad, who's trying to add, Prasad, Sukriti, please put your points ahead.
I would like to say
Yes,
whenever
actually,
like
we have to.
One by
go
one.
ahead.
Prasad, go on, then
You
Sukriti.
can
Yes. So actually, for reverse the terrorist attack, we have to take help from the villagers. and for the CM rally is going to arrive. So there will be previous protection guards will there. So we will take help from them to uh, to caught those terrorists. Then after we have to go to the temple, and there yes.
That's a good idea, Prasad. We can actually agree with Prasad's idea that we can actually use some of the CM's protective guards to help us in other problems as well, like Mahadev village problem and
I think now we should calculate the time involved in the distance covered because the series of events has been concluded. So the first problem that we are tackling, that is of the droning board, we can save them in the time period of 10 to 15 minutes. Next up, we are going with the help of speedboat to the Matoli part, that is approximately 5 centimeters, which makes it 10 kilometer. Let's say if we are having a speedboat of 20 kilometer per hour, uh, then we'll reach there by the speed of by 15 minutes, so approximately over there.
Okay. Okay, Sarthak.
Thank you. I wanted to add a point that if we see that Matuli village is can be the common point for everything. If we directly go to Matuli village, we can solve the issues of forest also, Mahadev village also, and then Shiv temple also. I think forest department must be available since there are so many forests. Forest department must be available there, and from the what do we call it? From CM security, we can also solve the issue of Shiv temple simultaneously. So these two issues can be tackled simultaneously. And on the right hand side, since I have already told you that Rivalsar village and what do we call railway port, that can be tackled simultaneously, and everybody can meet to the that common point, that is Mathuri village.
ladies and gentlemen, I think we should consider Sarthak's idea.
Yes, Harsh Putra.
If CM is arriving in that village, there will be some patrolling of police officers to take care of his security.
Yeah, correct
So
me
we
if I'm wrong.
can.
Correct me if I'm wrong here. That Matuli was a village or a bus stop only? I think it was a bus stop only.
Yes.
It's just a bus stop.
Matuli bus stop. Yes.
So I don't think that we can. Yes, we can access the forest guard, but we cannot make it the center of our event. I think we can go on concluding what events we have planned. I think Pratik has an idea overall. Pratik, you can add more points here.
Okay, so first we are dividing our group into three groups. So first group consists of 4 members who will be actually helping the couples and will then use the motorboat to solve the Matuli problem and Shiv temple problem and fish plate problem as well. After that, the next 2 members will actually go to Revalsa village and they'll with the help of villagers and with the help of other patrolling guards, they'll assist them in defending the terrorist attack. And then the next 2 persons will actually take the bus and help the 2 injured people to they'll go to a hospital towards the Diggal village. And the next the 4 people who are actually solve the Shiv temple problem, fish plate problem, they can actually go to Mahadev village next, and they can solve the animal problem as well.
Yeah, we
That will
can
be
add little bit of details here that how they are going to solve, because we are saying that an overview. So let's say if we are saying that there is an animal problem, we can consider it to be a tiger also, not just elephant. If we are considering it as a tiger, we can ask people to go back into their homes because it is not given the problem. We can consider any animal to be over there. And also regarding the fish plate, we can add the red flag also. There must be a man level crossing in the main road. We can inform the man level crossing in order to give
okay.
the red signal.
So I'll start again. Okay, is that fine? I'll start again. So we are dividing our group of 8 into 3 groups. First consisting of 4 members. The second group consists of 2 members, and again 2 members. The first 4 members will actually help the couples who are actually about to drown into the river and then they'll continue with the and they'll use the motorboat and they'll solve the Matuli village problem where there's a fire accident, fire accident at bus station, and then they'll put up a red flag at fish plate so that they can stop, so they can alert the trains that are coming, that is about to pass there, and then using the patrolling guards, they can actually call some of them to help with the Shiv temple, and then the next two members who are actually going to Rivalsa village, they can also use the patrolling guards, and with the help of villagers, they can put up a defensive position so they can defend the terrorist attack. And the next two members who are actually going and then the next two members, they are going to help the two members who are actually badly injured, and then after Rivalsa village we can call in the same helpers to Mahadev village, and looking at the wild animal we can take a particular distance. So if it's a very angry wild animal, then we can ask the villagers to stay inside and wait until forest department takes further actions. And if it's a normal animal like a cow or a bull which has gone rogue, then actually I think we can handle the problem all by ourselves by calming the bullock by some other by some other process. That will be it.
All right. I think we all agreed on that. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think there was no, the resources were not discussed, even the time and the time taken, the distance covered is also not taken into consideration. How much time did we take to complete each problem? Since we're taking that four people are solving three problems, how much time did they take to solve that particular problem? And how did
Okay.
they reach to that particular
So
place?
since okay, Anita, since I have failed to do this, I'd like you to narrate this again so that it is clear to everyone.
I'm not saying that you have failed. I said that we have not
No, no,
discussed
I
that.
Okay,
okay,
let's
okay.
discuss.
You are saying that we
We are
have not
clear with the
discussed that.
sequence of
Yes.
events. We are now clear
Okay,
with the
okay.
sequence of events. We can now discuss about
I
the
agree with Krutik. Anita should narrate the GP problem
Yes, I
with
think
proper
you have
solution.
the proper points which I've actually missed. So I think you should give the narration once.
Okay, do it quickly. Anyone who's doing the narration, time is almost about to be up. So if Anita, you're doing that quickly with time,
So
and
let us first see that how much distance we are covering. If we are taking bus to handle the three problems. Yes. Do we agree with that? We said that we are taking the bus. Four people are
Yes,
taking
yes,
the bus to reach
completely agreed.
Agreed, agreed, agreed.
the Kacha road is about 7 centimeter, means 14 kilometers, and it will take around 15 minutes to cover that.
yeah,
Yes.
correct,
Agreed. Yeah,
correct, correct. With 60 kilometer per hour, it is okay. Correct.
Okay.
60 kilometer high
Then,
base.
okay, from there, we are solving the problem of Mitholi bus station.
Agreed.
Yeah, we are
Done?
evacuating people. Right.
How much time we have taken till now? 30 minutes?
Yes, 30
Agreed.
minutes.
Yes.
Okay. From there, this is the team one, team A that we are talking about. Then
Yes.
they went to the this fish plate area where they have informed it to the station master and also red flagged the area. And
Right.
since there is no direct route, so I'm considering that we'll take the Kacha road through this village. So since it is a Kacha road, it will take like around how much kilometers we can consider? 7,
From which
8,
point to which?
10 kilometers,
3 kilometers.
8 kilometers. Okay.
That would be much. 3 to 4.
Since 1 centimeter is 2 kilometers, so I think this is around 8 centimeters. So it should be ideally 16 kilometers if we consider this scale.
Let's go with 6 kilometers or 7 kilometers.
Okay. So it will take half an hour since it is a Kacha road with the bus. And then coming back, we'll solve the problem of the Mahadev village. Okay. Now
Agreed.
the team B had started, solving the problem simultaneously. The team B took the motorboat and reached this junction where from there they took some like they took help of the
Lift.
traffic. which was available on the main road and reached the Rivalpur village where they told the security about the terrorist attack and also made the villagers vigilant about the terrorist attack. And the third team, which was handling the injured people, so how did they? We didn't. I think we didn't discuss the resource with which
I think
we.
we can take bike from that part because that is a boating area. We can take a bike as it is a hidden resource.
Okay, so
Right?
we can take that.
We can take a car because they're injured persons, so car would be more comfortable.
Yes.
Whatever resource we decide, we can take that, and we can admit to them to the Diggle hospital because this is nearer 40 in this and 10 kilometers. It will 24 kilometers around half an hour. So all these problems we have tackled simultaneously, and around 1.5 hour we'll be able to complete all the problems, and we'll meet at a point at Mitoli bus station, all the three teams, and from there they can leave for their destination.
Okay, we all agree to that, right? All right. Well done, Anita. Well done, entire team. I think the discussion was fruitful enough, and we have finally concluded. Just give me 1 second.